Hi guys, my name is Natalia, I'm Head of Customer Relations at Amasty, and today I'm here to present a new and long-awaited solution available at Amasty Store. I'm talking about Marketplace Platinum for Magento. For the next 10 minutes, I'll make the general overview as well as will demonstrate the key functionality available for you as administrator, for your sellers, and your customers. So let's start. Talking about Marketplace Platinum in general, I'd like to note three main points. First of all, Marketplace Platinum is a comprehensive out-of-the-box solution that consists of 9 different modules covering the most frequently required functionality. Secondly, this solution was developed keeping in mind the fact that the way Marketplace functions can vary greatly and depends heavily on processes and flows relevant for specific business. Third, it could be enhanced with more than 60 marketplace add-ons developed to cover additional requirements. As a result, Marketplace Platinum out of the box provides essential features for launching a marketplace and provides agility in the configuration. Moreover, it becomes possible to build a very custom and at the same time cost-effective solution relevant for specific business needs. And one more point to note. Marketplace Platinum is compatible with a variety of themes, including Amasty Jet theme. Now let's switch to the demo to see what is offered out of the box. But before we will dive into the admin panel and configuration options, let's check how it looks on the front end. This is how the default Magento store looks. All your sellers' products will be available in your catalog as well as through the marketplace link added to the menu. Here you can see the marketplace page with all sellers available. If you click a specific seller, you will get to the seller store with all information about their company, products, and reviews. In addition to standard product description, user can find the seller's name on the page of their product. The purchase flow for the customer will be the same as in default Magento. The customer can easily purchase products from different sellers in a single order. When the user goes to the checkout page, they will be able to choose shipping methods for each seller separately, and each seller will ship their products accordingly. On the payment page, customers will see the multi-shipping method to recheck how each product in an order will be shipped. This is how an order with products from several sellers can be placed at the same time. Moreover, Marketplace Platinum offers a seller landing page with a pre-built template to set up a beautiful page for new seller acquisition. While registration, social login could be used to simplify the process. For each registered seller, there will be a separate account created with all the information as well as dashboard with all the needed functionality to manage the store, products, and payouts. We will show that a bit later in this video. Now let's see how the admin can configure the marketplace and what options are available. Let's check the most important ones. In general settings, you enable all marketplace add-ons available for this solution. Here, in landing page settings, you configure how the vendor acquisition landing page will look like on the front end according to the pre-built template. New vendors could be added through your registration page or by admin. In Vendor Account Option tab, you set up how the vendor application process will look like. You decide if the new vendor application should be approved by you or no approval is required. Moreover, you can set up the list of notifications to be sent to the vendors in case their status changes. For example, if it is approved or rejected. Regarding product management, again, that is up to you to decide if new product submission should be approved or not. You choose product type, product quantity limits, attribute sets, and the categories in which vendor products should be placed. Depending on the features enabled, the corresponding options will be available for vendors in their account. Also, you may enable functionality to upsell and cross-sell vendors' products. This is a good idea to equip vendors with these options to help them grow their sales, which will influence your revenue as well. If your marketplace is selling downloadable products, for example, images, you may set up the formats that are allowed. Now let's talk about order management. In this tab, you actually define how your order will be processed and what will be done on the vendor side and what on yours. You should decide who is creating invoices, provide shipping, and who can issue credit memos. Also, you can enable notifications for the vendor about all these services. Now the very important vendor part, commission settings. You can define either a percentage or a flat rate that will be applied. Also, you can set commissions per product type and per category. You will be able to set specific commissions per vendor as well, but this will be available through the vendor management grid I will show a bit later. And the last but not the least configuration I'd like to highlight, shipping configuration. First, you can enable the vendor multi-shipping method that acts as a container for all the shipping methods of the vendor. The customer will be able to select shipping methods for each vendor based on the origin and destination address after adding the vendor's product to the cart. Also, UPS shipping is included in Marketplace Platinum, but it could be replaced by some others for free at your request. Or you can add additional shipping methods through available add-ons. Now let's see how the vendor management grid looks and what management options are available there. First of all, you can add new vendors from admin one by one or in a bulk by importing them. Next, you can approve and remove vendors. For each vendor, you have complete profile information, payment details to make payouts. Here you can set up vendor-specific commissions, which can differ from the general ones. The Transaction tab will display all transactions so you will be always informed, and the Order tab will display all orders associated with the vendor's products. Note that if the order includes products from different vendors, here you will see only the products that are associated with specific vendor. Also, here you can see order statuses if they are paid and completed by a customer, and payout statuses. In case your vendors have explicitly requested a payout, such orders will be highlighted with a tag. And one more important thing to note about vendors' product management. You can also assign and reassign products between your vendors. Now let's see what the payment process will look like. Marketplace Platinum doesn't have payout automation, but this functionality could be added with the additional add-on. Let's see what a manual process will look like. For each vendor, you can choose a single order or mass orders to make a payout. Then you choose the payment method, add transaction details, click the Pay button to complete the transaction. Now you can see it in the transaction grid. Now let's see how the functionality for the seller looks like and what options and reporting is available for them. First of all, each vendor has a separate vendor account dedicated to their store and product management. It is equipped with a dashboard so that the vendor can view the summary of their payout transactions. They can see the total pending amount, earned amount, placed orders, and products sold. They will have sales statistics as well, with product statuses, both approved and disapproved, top-selling products, latest orders, and more. In the navigation menu, we have a vendor profile tab, where all the information is added by a vendor and is further available for administrators. Let's see how orders are managed. First, to set up shipping, the vendor will need to enter their address so shipping is calculated correctly, and choose shipping methods they want to use for the delivery of their products. Manage Order tab provides functionality depending on how the marketplace was configured. In our case, the vendor is able to manage orders by themselves. Note that they will see only those products in an order that relate to them. Let's see how it looks. For example, we have a pending order the vendor can invoice and ship. For the product management, there are two tabs. One for new product creation. Here, only product types configured by the administrator will be available. And second, for managing existing products. For each product, they need to add standard information. Also, if cross-sell and upsell features are enabled, they can make promotions with vendor products. It supports all product types available in Magento. Vendor can add attributes and attribute sets created by administrator and add some new attributes for themselves. Those attributes will be available only for their products. Now let's see how transaction management will look like. First of all, in transaction settings, they will have to add payment details to use for payouts. In Marketplace Platinum, PayPal, check money order, and bank transfer is available out of the box, but other payment methods can be added with add-ons by request. The vendor can view all transactions, statistics of earned and paid amounts on the tab with paid transactions. Next, there's the Requested Transactions tab that allows interacting with payouts and sending payout request to store admins with the help of the Request button. Administrator will see the request and process it further. Well, I think that's all I wanted to share for today. I hope I have covered at least some of your questions regarding functionality and Marketplace Platinum in general. Of course, we do understand that you may have much more specific requirements that are not covered by our out-of-the-box solution. Don't hesitate to share them with our team so that we can form a custom solution relevant for your specific business needs. Moreover, we will be happy to organize a live demonstration and answer all of your further questions. We are looking forward to seeing you with our customers and wish you growing and successful business. Cheers!